Hello everyone, welcome to day 35 of 50 days NEET challenge. In today's video, we are going to look at one important question which has come in 2018, where the question says calcium is important in skeletal muscle contraction because. Then you have four options. So before we go and see the options, let's see what happens here. As you know that this is the actin protein and this is the myosin monomer called as meromyosin, right? And you can see that actin is made up of F-actin, which are these globular proteins. Then you will see the helically wound, these brown thread-like structures, which is called as tropomyosin. And then at regular intervals, you will see these three globular dot-like structures, which are globular proteins, but they are present at regular intervals. They are not continuously present. And these basically proteins are called as troponin, and they mask the site where the myosin head would bind for muscle contraction. Okay, so myosin head binds to the actin on the locations which are masked by troponin. And this masking is removed when the calcium ions which are released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, when they come and bind to the troponin, it unmasks the site so that myosin head can bind to actin and further it can help in muscle contraction. So it's very obvious that calcium is going to bind to troponin and unmask the site for myosin head binding. So now let's see the options. The options are binds to troponin to remove the masking of active sites on actin for myosin, activates the myosin ATPase by binding to it, detaches the myosin head from the actin filament, prevents the formation of bonds between the myosin cross bridges in actin filament. The answer is, option is very obvious. The answer would be A, binds to troponin to remove the masking of active sites on actin for myosin.